Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, builders! In this video, I will show you how to construct an adorable Hello Kitty figure using building bricks. First, let's prepare our materials. You will need around 300 to 400 pieces, primarily in white, with accent colors like red for the bow, yellow for the nose, and black for the eyes and whiskers. Make sure to have a good variety of brick shapes, including smooth tiles and curved slopes, to achieve Hello Kitty's iconic look. Now, let's start building the main body. Begin by laying down a sturdy base using larger white bricks to ensure stability. From there, you will gradually build upwards, carefully shaping a rounded, compact torso. To achieve Hello Kitty's characteristic smooth and gentle curves, try incorporating side-mounted building techniques. This will help create a seamless appearance, making your figure look polished and complete. Next, we will focus on crafting Hello Kitty's recognizable head and facial features. Attach a larger, rounded section to the top of the body you just built. For her expressive eyes, use 2 small black 1x1 round tiles, placing them carefully. A single yellow piece will form her adorable button nose. Finally, complete her iconic look by positioning a signature red bow on her left ear, using a few small red bricks to create its distinct shape. To add the final charming details, attach small black rod pieces or thin plates to create Hello Kitty's 3 whiskers on each cheek. Take a moment to double-check that all your brick connections are secure, ensuring your model is stable and durable for lasting enjoyment. Once everything is firmly in place, your delightful Hello Kitty brick figure is ready. Proudly display your finished creation on any flat surface, bringing a touch of cuteness to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.